Today we're giving away a 10-watt solar fan plug-and-play kit from Western Harmonics.
Hi, I'm Kylene.
And I'm Jonathan, and we are the Provident Preppers. We've been having lots of fun giving away lots of prizes with more prizes yet to come. Today's prize is a 10-watt solar fan plug-and-play kit from Western Harmonics. Now, this isn't actually the fan set that you would be getting. This is a little bit larger, but this has been a really neat tool that we've had some fun demonstrating because it's important that we are able to keep cool in the summer. If we had a power outage in the summer, being able to stay cool is vitally important, and sometimes all we need to do is move some air. In fact, Chris, the owner of Western Harmonics, that's how he got started in this business. He was helping with Hurricane Katrina and Hurricane Charlie, and he saw lots of situations in rest homes and other places where if they could just move some air, it would help people live longer, it would help them be healthier and feel better. And so he decided he was going to make that his business, was creating these fans, these solar power fans. You can put the solar panel out in the sun and these fans blow a tremendous amount of air and help keep things cool. So what a great tool this is. Thanks, Chris. And Chris is going to actually describe for you what you're getting.
Hey folks, so we received a request to provide video of the solar fan combo kit that we've been selling this summer at Western Harmonics. It includes a 10-watt solar panel and a 12-inch fan. This is a direct solar product. In other words, the system runs directly off of the panel. It does include a 4-foot long cord that's actually on the panel, and I'm going to flip this around so you can take a look at how this is put together here. Forget my camera skills, but at any rate, it's just basically a plug-and-play type system. We've got a standard DC connector here. This is going all the way back into the panel. It's been soldered onto the terminals in the junction box, and then as well we plug directly into the fan like this. So I stopped the video so I could plug that in. I'm going to go ahead and hit the on switch, put this in on. Now if you notice, we're not running because I have this shadow over the panel. So I'm going to step back off of the panel. That way you can actually see it go ahead and spool up. And now I'm going to flip it around so you can see it running from the front position. Alright, here we go. So it's an excellent air mover. It's got fairly high RPMs, it moves a good deal of air. It is hyper efficient, 3 milliamps at 12 volts, and it's a direct system. We do sell this with a 30-foot set of cable. You get 3 different 10-foot extension cords so that you can have the panel up to 34 feet away, and then running the fan obviously at a convenient location. It's not a weather rated fan, so this is not something that we're going to put outside during a rainstorm. It is, however, portable. It's very lightweight. It's extremely well made, and I think it's really a great deal at $85, and we offer a full 1-year warranty. Thank you so much and have a great day.
Thanks, Chris. So you can see that's a really cool little prize. If you would like to be entered, you must be a subscriber on our YouTube channel because this is a celebration about our subscribers. And then second, you must, in the comment section of this video, just put that you would like to be entered to win the 10-watt solar plug-and-play fan from Western Harmonics. And then if you would like bonus entries, what you can do is you can go to Western Harmonics on Facebook and you can like their page or comment in there or in any way interact with Chris's Western Harmonics Facebook page. But then you have to come back and report back in the comment section of this video. And you also get credit if you share this video or like or do anything on social media, but you do have to report back that that's what you've done because the entries will be taken from underneath the comments of this video, okay? Now, the contest begins today. It goes through Monday the 27th And on Wednesday the 29th, we'll do a video where we announce the winners. The winner. Only one winner.
Yeah.
Oh, and this is limited, unfortunately, to the United States. It's a shipping thing. Sorry. We love everybody everywhere else too, but you can't have this.
It's the way it goes some days. But we do want to thank Chris for his generosity and for being one of our partners. And again, we want to thank each of you for being part of the solution. You're making this world better by becoming more self-reliant, more prepared, and helping your neighbors. Thanks for being part of the solution.
Thanks for being part of the solution. And go enter right now. Quit watching. Go enter so that you can stay cool this summer. It's because you're hot.
Oh dear, we shouldn't have gone there.